how did scientists even come up with this idea of dark matter? Well, it all started with some very smart observations. Way back in the 1930s, a scientist named Fritz Zwicky noticed something odd about clusters of galaxies. Zwicky observed that these galaxies were moving in a way that just didn't add up if you only accounted for the visible matter. The galaxies were whizzing around it so fast that they should have broken away from the cluster. But they didn't. Something unseen was keeping them together. Fast forward a few decades, and another brilliant astronomer, Vera Rubin, made a similar discovery. She was studying the rotation of galaxies and found that stars on the outskirts were orbiting just as fast as those near the center. According to the laws of physics, this shouldn't happen unless there was a lot more mass than what we could see. These discoveries were groundbreaking. They suggested that there's a lot more to a galaxy than meets the eye. In fact, it turns out that what we can see is just a tiny fraction of the total.